In this video, we will show you how to get proxy for WhatsApp. WhatsApp may be blocked in some countries. To solve this problem, you can using a proxy. How you can get proxy for your WhatsApp application? First in here, we need to open our WhatsApp before we get the proxy and choose settings. Okay, select this icon and select settings here. After that in here, select storage and data. Then choose proxy and click setup proxy. Now, our question is how we can get this proxy to use on our WhatsApp. First, you can open our website www.wheredata.com, or you can see on the comment section we will give the server proxy for WhatsApp application. It's free, and you can also open the web browser directly. We will minimize first for our WhatsApp application and choose tools on the wearedata.com and select WhatsApp proxy server. Okay, select here. And this is the free proxy for your WhatsApp application. Okay, you can use first proxy or the second proxy. This proxy server maybe sometime is done. You can report it in the comment section if the proxy can to be used or cannot use on your country. In here, let's fill our WhatsApp application with this proxy. Okay, back to our WhatsApp again. Okay, and for the proxy host, for example, we will using the first proxy. We fill in here. WA1 or WhatsApp 1. Okay, dot wearedata.com. And for the chat proxy, usually we use default. Okay, you can let the chat port is default, and you can select media port in here. Media port, the default is 587, but we recommend you if using the first server, you can using 7777 port. Let's change for the media port and click save. Okay, the chat port you can using the default. Okay, and click save also. And finally, you can click check button here. Okay, after you click, you can click back and make sure your proxy is connected. Now let's try to using this proxy to chat someone and send the media. Okay, the proxy already connected here. We back into the chat and we will try chat this person. Test. Okay, the chat is appear or send it. We can try to using media. Let's send this and click send. Okay, the proxy is very fast. Okay, and that's all. How to get proxy server for WhatsApp application. Okay, this proxy server sometimes maybe disconnected or not work. You can report it on the comment section so we can fix it immediately if there is a problem with our server. And that's all tutorial how you can get WhatsApp proxy. Hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching.